Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on pixellab easily. Open the pixellab, select a letter, adjust the letter, change the color, duplicate the letter, change the background color, select the 3D shape, adjust the letter, select the emboss button, right angle, duplicate the letter, select the color filter, adjust the letter. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.